Hello guys, welcome to Apache Writer. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and review the NoisePlay SC action camera. Let's open the box and see what's inside. The box contains an action camera along with all the necessary accessories, including a remote which you can use to record or operate your camera from a distance. Camera comes in a waterproof casing. Let's take it out from the case and see how the camera looks. So this is how the camera looks. It has a power button at the front and this nice looking NoisePlay logo over here. The build quality is very nice and it has the 170-degree wide angle lens at the top. At the sides you can see this micro USB ports and a memory card slot. It has a 2 inches LCD screen and a Sony 179 image sensor. It also have a f2.2 aperture. Let's turn it on by pressing and holding the power button for 3 seconds and check out what it has to offer. On the screen you can see your battery percentage, memory status, video or camera mode, and the voice recording option, and also the date and time will be displayed at the bottom. To navigate through the modes, you need to press the power button once and select the mode with this OK button at the top. And these two buttons at the side can be useful for navigating through the options from top to bottom. And to shut it down, you just need to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Now let's take it for a ride and check out how it performs on the road. Recorded this video at a resolution of 1080p at 60 fps, which I feel is the perfect resolution for me. You can even record using a 4K or 2.7K resolution at various frames per second. I suggest you to try all the available options and pick a perfect resolution for you. Tested it on the bumpy roads and the video quality is quite good and there is no hint of shaking in the video. The night recording is also quite good, as you can see. So overall it's a best budget action camera. You can buy it around 4000 rupees from Amazon with a 16 megapixel camera and a 170-degree wide angle lens with the Wi-Fi support and a remote control switch. So if you want to buy this, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.